Today we're taking a look at the king of wireless speakers. Wow. This thing is awesome. First of all, you got your subwoofer right on the top, or that's on the side. So you have one on each side. This is nice. This is very sleek looking. Like really sleek looking. In here you got a TF port, Type-C port, USB, your power, AUX port. We'll keep that open. This is really nice. Alright, so we're turning it on. Okay, overall, it's actually very loud. Great bass, great tread. This is an amazing speaker. Ours, you can hear something inside's loose. So sometimes something hits the bass and it rattles really bad. So we need to try and figure out what that is. If we can open this up. I really don't want to have to open this up, so I'm guessing something just got damaged, but you guys should be all right. If we turn it upside down, let's see, it doesn't have that. Yeah, if we have it up here, we don't hear it, but here. Anyway, guys, the bass is amazing. This thing is actually really powerful. I actually love this. I just got to get sorted out whatever is loose inside there. I got to get that figured out. But colors are awesome. This thing is just awesome.